At Big Love Yoga at Studio Red Design. Today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY bolster. So first, the supplies you're going to need are two towels of the same width and length. You'll also need some ribbon or string, your choice, and a pair of scissors. So first, what you're going to do, I'm going to make a thick one, is you're going to unroll your towels. And then the second one you're going to unroll, you're going to put it on top of this one. So they're on top of each other. It doesn't have to be perfect, because nothing's perfect. Then what you're going to do is you're going to grab it by this end and tightly with both hands roll it, but make sure to put a lot of pressure because you want it to be as tight as possible. So this should take a few seconds. So next, what we're going to do is we're going to get a piece of ribbon for the side, and we're going to put a piece of ribbon under it, like this, like so, and then we're going to tie it with pressure close to the end, but not exactly at the end or it's going to come off. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do the same on the other side. With the ribbon, you just put it under and you just tie it. It sort of makes like a little candy look in a way. Make sure that when you tie, you keep the pressure going, because it's really good to keep the pressure going so it's a good bolster and not like floppy. Once you tie both sides, then you have a nice bolster to lay on or crack your back or do any type of yoga on. Thanks for watching at Big Love Yoga. Check out our other videos. Namaste.